Although it is tempting to conclude that the answer produced by a data mining exercise or the prediction produced by a machine learning algorithm are both true and precise, this is not always the case. Contrary to the objections of a minority in the field of data analytics, it pays to be skeptical about the data mining process and the results it produces. This skepticism is not a negative thing, but a healthy approach to the topic. We should never take the results of any data analysis at face value. If something looks too good or too strange to be true, it probably isn't. But of course, this is not always the case, making it important to verify the findings before drawing any firm conclusions from it. The results should always be linked back to the real world and should be interpreted in the context of the particular business process which drives them. If the results of an analysis don't make sense and run contrary to conventional wisdom, then they deserve further in-depth exploration before they're used as part of a decision-making process. One common opinion is that more data equals better and more reliable models. This is certainly true, provided that right data has been used and that it's been modeled properly. Unless the data are appropriate to the questions being asked, or vice versa, the results of a data mining project are likely to be meaningless, even though they may appear meaningful. Likewise, a dataset resulting from a data gathering process where insufficient attention has been paid to the quality and veracity of the data is likely to result in models giving misleading results. Data modeling techniques are frequently used without any regard for their suitability for the type of data or the problem to be solved. A lack of knowledge of the principles underpinning any given algorithm and its limitations can seriously damage the credibility of a data analytics project. Even with the right data and the required level of understanding, a model that initially displays promising results may start to break down at a later stage. The error rates of any model in a data mining process need to be constantly tested, investigated, and controlled. None of what's been described in this unit is in any way meant to suggest that data analysis is too difficult an undertaking to be considered a worthwhile use of scarce business resources. Nothing could be further from the truth. However, like most things in life, if it's worth doing properly and with an appropriate degree of caution.